Yo-ho! Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily resize the taskbar in Windows 10 or 11 using a simple tool called Winhawk. Let's begin. First go to your browser and look for Winhawk over here. Click on that and this is going to be their official homepage. Click on download, okay? This might take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed, and just go through the installation wizard. Once you have successfully completed the installation, go and open the application, right? So once you have Winhawk, go to browse for mods, and then we can easily search for taskbar. Okay, taskbar, and then it will provide you with various settings you can add to your computer. So what we need is just the taskbar height and icon size. For example, details, click on that, and we can easily install this. Okay, accept. Once done, just go to settings over here, and then this is how we can easily make all of the adjustments. So go ahead, experiment. This is going to be the height, the icon size, taskbar button width, small icon size. So just go ahead, configure everything in here until it meets your preferences and style. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.